Oh my God.
We did so much
my
work to
God.
this chair.
Far better than I ever imagined.
Welcome to a restoration giveaway presented by the Harp Gallery. We are an antique and vintage furniture showroom in Kaukauna, Wisconsin, specializing in restoring furniture, art, lighting, and more. In this episode, we will be restoring Grandma's chair.
My mom passed away. She sat in this chair all the time, and we're looking at downsizing at some point. So when the kids come home, and Katie's planning on moving home, so she's, Mom, I got to have Nana's chair. I mean, it's Nana's chair, right? So, okay. So, and my husband said, if you're going to keep this chair here, you need to get it reupholstered because you've seen that it's a little bit soiled from grandmothers and great grandmothers sitting in this chair over the years. There aren't a lot of people that I would turn this over to. Trust me, it's a treasured item.
First step in the restoration process is removing the old upholstery. The fabric is stripped off, all of the old foam and webbing is removed, and then carpentries begin. The joints are taken apart to be glued and stabilized so that in further use the chair is sturdy. After a new board seat is made, the surfaces are sanded and prepped for finish. A period-correct, warm tone is chosen for this 19th century walnut chair. Several coats of clear and stain are applied for an even, shimmery finish. Lastly, the upholstery is done. Foam and fabric are applied to all the separate panels of this piece, making sure to keep the stripes in line. After a final trim, this chair is ready for its grand reveal.
I think it's time to take a look if you're ready.
I'm nervous. Oh my God.
We did so much
my
work to this
God.
chair, and
This is
we were
incredible.
we were thrilled to have something of this caliber come through.
This is far better than I ever imagined. I love the way you left this instead of before it was completely covered. This gives it so much detail and it's beautiful. And the woodwork, oh my God.
Everybody who worked on this
amazing
chair
job.
was stunned by the quality of the wood and the carving on it. You know, it is an exceptional piece, even for its style, even for its age. It was obviously a very high quality piece when she bought it.
I am really anxious to see what you had told me about. Oh my God.
So I
Look at
know
this.
the upholstery work used to go over the back and over the top,
It
but
did.
this chair originally was probably upholstered just like this.
This
And
is
this wood
amazing.
carving was just so beautiful. We didn't want to cover it up with the upholstery. We wanted
No.
the frame of the chair to show through the way it was supposed to.
This is like far better than I ever imagined it would be. Truly.
Thank you for watching our restoration giveaway. Here at the Harp Gallery, our team of restoration specialists bring hundreds of items back to life every single month. We list all of these pieces online, but feel free to stop in our Kaukauna showroom today.